Hello, everyone. Welcome. In this video, we just give a test program to use the AVLTree class. So we write this test program and we create an AVLTree and insert and all these elements and print the tree. And now we're going to insert more. Okay, so we're going to insert another number 50 and print it, insert it, and now delete it, delete it. And here is delete 5. Okay, so this is the function here is to print the tree. So print the in order, post order, pre-order. So this, and that is all here. Test program. All right, that is all for this section on writing a test program using the AVLTree class. See you next time.